Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. It's Tracy here, and this video is an unboxing of some bits and pieces that I ordered for my shop, which is, if you haven't seen it already, www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. And this is an order from Tulip to upload to my website, and wow, they do tape it very, very well. I'm going to cut myself in a minute if I'm not careful. I can't even. I'm just going to pause it for a second while my knife's a bit bent. But I'm just going to get in this box. In the meantime, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And hopefully you'll be informed when new videos just miraculously pop up. So I'll be back in a... Move in. Yes, so I've attacked it with the knife and we're in. So some of these things are for sale, some of these things are for gifts, let's have a look what we got, and some of them are just replace things that are getting low on stock. So these were very popular, and they are the Tulip double-ended crochet hook. So you've got one half that's a 3.5 and one half that's the 3. I'd sold out of a lot of these. I've got a 5 and a 6. Now they're not ergonomic ones, but when you've got a fat needle like a 5 or a 6, they're fat enough. So I've got 4.5 to 5, and I've got a few different ones, 4 to 5s. So that's those. These are the double-ended crochet hooks, and they're not too bad at all. So let's get all those out of the way, because they've popped them all in this bag, which is meant to do up but doesn't. So that's all of those. I think if you're going to do a small hook and you're used to ergonomic, they're not going to really be very good to hold unless you can get one of those sleeves that I got. They're funny enough, they were Susan Bates. I got them from eBay, I think. And you just slide it on, and then you hold the foamy sleeve instead of the hook. Because there was a time when I hadn't used any of the big fat ergonomic hooks, and I was quite used to holding the little thin ones. But after a while of being used to holding the chunkier hooks, I find it really hard now to go down to a slim hook that's not kind of ergonomic. But I think when they're big, it's fine. So that's those anyway, and like I say, they were really popular and I sold out of those. And I ordered some, I've mixed them all together. These were just kind of to try out, so I didn't get like masses of them. But the only Tunisian hooks that I had on my channel were chalgu. I still have them, but I'm getting lower. Not channel, shop. Yeah, so they were chalgu, and they were double-ended, and they had a long cord, which is great for big projects. But I wanted to get some more kind of normal, if you like. So these do look like you can fit them to their interchangeable cord, but they don't. They just sell them separately. So I got some longer Tunisian hooks and just got them to try, really, because not everybody wants a big long cable. So I got them, see what they're like. And then I just got some more hooks that I was running low on. So I got the Tulip Red. Now, unfortunately, a lot of prices have gone up, so I had to raise the price of them accordingly, because obviously, you know, they passed that cost on. Whoopsie. And so I didn't get many of those because I had lots of them in stock. But I also got some of the rose ones that I was getting low on. There might be some more in there, I don't know. But I got rose and I got red. I still got quite a lot in stock anyway. Here's my little bill. Oh, and I got a refund of £1.66 because I'd ordered myself something small and it wasn't in stock. But I did get some of these. Now, I showed these, I think, briefly before, but I decided to just get one size, and it's kind of a good thing for Halloween. for Valentine's Day. Look, we've got heart-shaped stitch markers, and so I ordered a few packs of those. Now I did, the last ones I got, I did put them in people's orders. I think the last one went in an order today, and so I got some more, and decided on the medium ones. Next time I order I might get some of the others, but I thought they were quite cute, little heart-shaped ones, and as it's nearly Valentine's Day I thought I'd get red. I haven't tried these myself, and I think they open a bit like earrings, you know, and just kind of come apart. I didn't want to get them out the packet and you know, have a broken packet. But yeah, that's what I think they do. If I show them up close, they're really sweet though. I like those. Nothing on the back to show you. Yeah, so that's those. And then I decided to get some more of these, and I'd run out twice of these and restocked, but unfortunately they only had 3 in stock, and I won't get them out. What I'll show you is mine, and they are the iCord knitter, and you get this part, and I've lost my little weight, it's here somewhere. You get a little weight which you put your yarn in and through that hole, and you clamp it in the weight, and then once you've done this, and it goes through the eye here, and I've got a video that shows you how to do it. It's really simple, and the video I filmed on my very first ever attempt at using it. So if it worked really well for me on my very first ever attempt, then it's easy. But these are the Tulip ones. I know there are lots of different ones on the market, but I've heard quite good things about the Tulip, but not the others so much. So I restocked. I've only got 3 though, and I know somebody wanted one. Whether they've managed to get one somewhere else or not, I don't know. So that's those, and well, that's it, because I didn't put in a massive order. Although it was expensive, it wasn't a massive order, because I still had quite a bit of stock left of the Tulip ones. So for those, I just need to say that those of you who missed my rocks chat this morning, I didn't get to do one because I was really busy this morning, and just filming this, and then we've got to pop out. Now tomorrow I might start where I was going to do the live streams where we make Gary's blanket as we go, and this is the blanket. I do already have a tutorial for this blanket, because when I first started it many moons ago, I did a tutorial for it, and if I can remember, I'll put a link at the end to it. And Gary wanted it to be a really big blanket. It's big enough as it is to sort of cover me, but he wants it so big that I've got 3 more complete skeins of the yarn, which is the Premier Puzzle. I really like this yarn, I have to say, but it was mega bucks, and I got a few skeins originally in a yarn swap that I did with Creative Grandma, and I'd started making this blanket, and obviously it didn't go very far because it's chunky yarn, and it wouldn't have really made a very big one. So I ordered another 2 or 3 lots, and I think because I ordered it from eBay, I couldn't really get it over in this country. It cost me about £80 for that yarn. And then there was the ball of the contrasting very dark blue. It looks black, it's so dark, but I've got a big giant ball of that. I shan't even touch touch the because you don't really use much of that, so I won't really put a dent in that yarn. But I will do live streams, and we'll make it as I'm talking. That way I know I will set aside time to get it done. That's the theory. Anyway, I'm not sure when I'll be able to upload this. Gary's off today, and we have to go out and search for a new freezer. That's one of the reasons I was so busy earlier. And I also go to the post office and post off my yarn orders for Hobby Rocks. So he's back at work tomorrow, and the day should be a little bit more structured. So hopefully I'll get these put on as soon as possible. I didn't know whether to keep these just for gifts or put some on. I might do a bit of both. But all the hooks and everything else, I've already got the listings for those. So all I need to do is add the new stock quantities and that should be done. Anyway, you might see over my shoulder these, well, they're called ice globes. And I've been using these and doing a review ongoing on my other channel, Rocksteady. And I have to say, I'm kind of really like the effect they're having. I got them not just to for beauty reasons, because they actually do, or supposedly, get rid of fine lines and all that stuff. I got it for the lymphatic drainage part of it, and to stop puffiness. And I must say, I'm really enjoying using those. So I'm not filming it every day, but if you want to see how that's getting on, that's over on Rocksteady, along with many other things. I have a new unboxing to do over there soon for some heaters, which is kind of really low cost, which is a good thing. And that's what's coming up over there. On this channel, I've uploaded my latest tutorials for the blanket, right-handed and left-handed. Somebody asked me what my actual blanket, because I did the swatch with 80 stitches to make, and it would make, at the end of it, a kind of baby blanket, if you like. But the big blanket that I made, I did 180 chain for. So if anybody was wanting to know, the big spiked granny chevron blanket, I will put it in the description box now that someone's asked. I will put that in there. It measured, oh no, I'm going to forget what I said. No, I've forgotten the measurements, but it was, I will measure it again, and I will put all that as info in the bottom when I can. Thanks for watching. I'm off now to pop out and have a look for a freezer, and I will see you on the next one. They'll be uploaded very shortly. Bye for now.